Hi, I'm Lorraine and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why I remain bullish on crypto. So I like to think of myself as a crypto hopeful. I am not an enthusiast. You won't find me preaching at the pulpit, but I love this space. I love the ingenuity in the space. I love how people have integrated it into their lives, have integrated crypto into their lives. And I'm eager to see what the future holds for it. I have weathered a number of bear markets. I have made mistakes. I have made some money and I have lost some money. And so on this channel, I want to share some of the lessons that crypto has taught me over the last several years. I like to highlight some of the projects I'm excited about, and there are quite a number. And I'll also like to touch on the basics for anyone who is new to the crypto economy. In this video, I want to explain why I am bullish on crypto, why I think that the price of Bitcoin has plenty of runway. I am going to focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin moves the needle in the crypto space for the most part. When Bitcoin is doing well, the market is doing well for the most part. And when Bitcoin is not doing well, the market is not doing well for the most part. So let's look at the Bitcoin chart. What you will notice when you look at the chart is that the price of Bitcoin has been in an uptrend since about 2009. Yes, we've had bear markets. Yes, we've had bull markets. But the price seems to be moving in this upward channel. The other thing I want to bring your attention to are the peaks and the troughs. So every successive peak has been higher than the one before it. The price has been making higher highs, and every trough has been higher than the one before it. The price has been making higher lows as well. And those are key traits of an asset whose price is in an upward trend. Now, there are other factors that you should consider before you conclude whether a price of an asset is in an upward trend. And if you want to go down the rabbit hole and check this out, please look at the description. But based on those indicators and the behavior of the price that I've just described, I remain very optimistic. Now, it's possible that after uploading this video, the price of Bitcoin could fall out of this upward trend. It could fall out tomorrow, in the next couple of days. Yes, that is all possible. However, based on the information that I have before me today, I think that is highly unlikely. So the other thing I want to touch on is Bitcoin's FourYear cycle. If we look at the chart again, you'll notice that between every successive trough is a 4-year period. And you will notice that there is a period where the price of Bitcoin is, the price action is what I like to call shy. There is an increase in price, but it's not considerable and it's not significant. And then there comes a time when the price action becomes bolder and more aggressive until it becomes quite frothy towards the all-time high. So I feel that right now we are in that shy period. I don't think it has come to an end yet because the price has done pretty well since the lows of 2022, but it hasn't been a very considerable or significant increase in price. So assuming that this holds, then again, I have reason to be optimistic. Again, assuming that it holds. The other thing I want to bring your attention to is something called the halving. So this occurs every 4 years and this occurs every 4 years starting in 2012. And during the halving, the amount of money that Bitcoin miners are paid is halved, what they're paid for their service, and they help to secure the network, the Bitcoin network. So in 2012, they were paid 50 BTC. That dropped to about, prior to 2012, they were paid 50 BTC. That dropped to 25 BTC in 2012, and then to 12.5 BTC in 2016. and then 6.5 in 2020, and this year in April the compensation is going to drop to 3.125. Now 12 to 18 months after this event, the price of Bitcoin has in the past experienced an all-time high. So anywhere from 12 to 18 months after this event. And it tends to occur in what I call that shy price action period. So the next halving is in April. And if this trajectory, if this trend is to hold, then chances are that a few months after that, the price of Bitcoin will continue to increase until it hits an all-time high in 12 to 18 months. That's my prediction based on, again, the available data that I have and my interpretation of it. It is quite possible that someone else could look at the same data and draw different conclusions. So, and it's possible that I am wrong. If we woke up tomorrow and the sun had fallen out of the sky, or we found ourselves in the midst of a zombie apocalypse, not that I think those events will happen, but what I'm saying is that there's a lot that we can't predict. And so I try to make an allowance for being wrong, and I encourage you to do the same thing. So this is all that I have for you today. Thank you for listening. If you like this content, please subscribe so that you are alerted when the next video drops. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.